What's going on, everybody? Tanner Wideman of the BarbarianBody.com, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a routine that you can do every single morning to get shredded and to get your abs to show. Let's get straight into it. So before we start, Tanner, what equipment do we need? None. See? I'm just at home. This requires zero equipment. You can perform this every single morning with just your body weight. You're gonna burn a decent amount of calories to help you get shredded. Okay, so the first part of the routine is really simple. It's 10 minutes of your warm-up portion of the workout. This is gonna be in the form of some steady state, just slow cardio. It's the morning, you're not gonna have a ton of energy. So normally what I like to do is actually perform, just a quick walk. Like I wanna walk with my dog. 10 minutes, get the heart rate going. Now sometimes, if you're like me, you live in Canada, there's a ton of snow. You don't wanna go walking. So what I've been doing alternatively, and you can do as well, some of the good old stationary bike. 10 minutes on that'll be pretty good. Now if you actually don't have a stationary bike, by all means, go ahead, use a skipping rope. You wanna do some jumping jacks, just get some blood flowing through you. Here's the body weight routine. Okay, so the first portion of this workout is very simple. And in fact, we're gonna be doing every single exercise on here for 30 seconds apiece. We're gonna be starting off here with some raised plank SPIDERMANs. So with the core completely tightened, nice and flexed, you're gonna be bringing those knees towards the elbows. This is gonna help you to activate the obliques. The raised plank position, this is gonna activate, well, the upper abdominals, the lower abdominals, and it would incorporate the obliques as well. We're just adding in a little bit more of that isolation movement to help us to hit those obliques as well. Again, it's the morning. This is our first exercise. We're not starting too intense. Keep it simple, and you're gonna be able to stick to this every single morning. Great, now that we've activated the core, it's time to get into our next exercise. Body walkouts to push-up. Again, this is gonna be more so a full body movement that will incorporate some of that upper body. Again, as you're coming down for a push-up, guess what? Your pecs, your deltoids, and your triceps are engaged. Be sure to touch your feet at the end of each repetition. Again, we're performing this one right here for 30 seconds. All right, now here's where things get fun, or not so fun if you're a human. That's right, we're gonna be getting jump squats. 30 seconds. Land on those toes, reduce the impact. This is gonna be one that's really gonna take the gas out of you. If you wanna get shredded, don't skip this one. Now next, we're gonna be getting alternating front lunges. The lower body exercises, they demand a lot of energy. So the more energy that you're using, the more energy you burn. Meaning the more calories you burn, the more fat loss you're gonna be able to achieve. Again, 30 seconds, let's get into the next exercise. Now, directly after, with zero rest, you're gonna be getting into some plyo push-ups for 30 seconds apiece. And I just wanna mention, if it isn't abundantly clear, this is a circuit. 30 seconds apiece, no rest. You're gonna be performing 2 to 3 rounds if you really want to. So after you complete your first round, you can rest about 30 to 60 seconds if you need it. And to conclude our circuit, we're gonna be getting some jumping mountain climbers. This is gonna be good cardiovascularly, and as well, you're gonna be able to hit those lower abdominals. Well, essentially every muscle group, because look at how much stabilization is required out of my body. 30 seconds, rest about 30 to 60 seconds after the full circuit, and if you want, go ahead and repeat this routine 2 to 3 total times to start your morning. So there you go, that concludes today's video, but please remember, you can't out-train a bad diet, so ensure you're in a calorie deficit, combine that with the daily morning routine, and you're gonna notice accelerated fat loss. Now, check this thing out. I had to include it in at least one shot because that is a badass T-Rex fossil. Now, if you guys didn't know that I'm actually offering free 7-day access so you guys can try out all my workout programs and diet plans for free. If you wanna check that out, there should be a link that's gonna pop up somewhere here. If not, there will be a link that is down in the description box, or be sure to head on over to thebarbarianbody.com to learn a little bit more about that. Now, if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to smash that like button down below, and also be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon for weekly workout tips and nutrition tips that you will not want to miss. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.